Hello, Miss Grant. It is a pleasure meeting you all. I am Hima Wei Ang, a second-year student from University of Medicine West Yangon. Beyond my academic pursuit, I have developed a great passion for the arts and performance. From a young age, I have been trained in Myanmar traditional dance, which has greatly shaped my artistic expression. In addition, I actively engage with my social media by creating and sharing vlogs, through which I have had the opportunity to create and collaborate with a lot of brands. Standing here today, I am not only representing myself, but also the city of Yangon, where I was born and raised. Today, I would like to share with you a journey that has profoundly shaped who I have become. I strongly believe that every individual has their unique part, the one that is influenced by their environment, their experiences, and their everyday lifestyle also. For me, that this part has taught me to be patient with my efforts and staying consistent in my efforts as well. My life has been shaped by many remarkable individuals. Among them, I consider my mom as a greatest source of inspiration because she reminds me that life is like just a continuous process, not just defined by a single achievement, but by the accumulation of small and consistent work that is taken by intention. This platform holds a special meaning for me. It is an opportunity to express myself with confidence, step out of my comfort zone, and growing through new experiences. I am here not just to participate, but to embrace the moment and to take something valuable from this stage into my future. I believe that growth comes from consistency, self-awareness, and the willingness to make improvement. I am Hima Wei Ang, and this is only the beginning.